Controlling nature of the mind based on Bhagavad Gita. Nature of the mind. Nigraha vayo riv sudushkaram. Mind is more difficult to control than the wind. Chanchalam, restless. Pramati, turbulent. Balavat, strong. Dradam, self-willed. Chalam, flickering. Asthiram, unsteady. Downward spiral of a fickle mind. Dhyayato vishayan punsa sangasteshu pajayate. Mind contemplating on sense objects develops attachments. Sanga sanjayate kamaha. Attachments lead to desire. Kamat krodho bijayate. From desire arises anger. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Anger leads to clouding of judgment. Sammoha smriti vibhrama. Clouded judgment leads to confusion of memory. Smriti branshad buddhi nasho. Confusion of memory leads to loss of intelligence. Buddhi nashat pranashyati. When intelligence is lost, the breath of life is also lost. Mastery in stability of the mind. Sthita pragyata. Bandhu ratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmanajitaha anatmanastu shatrutve varte tatmaiva shatruvat. For those who have conquered the mind, it is their friend. For those who have failed to do so, the mind works like an enemy. Prajayati yada kamaha. Get rid of all selfish desires and cravings. Vitaraga bhaya krodha. Free oneself from attachments, fear and anger. Nispruha nirmamo nirahankaraha. Do away with hankering, ownership and egotism. Samharate chayam kurmo anganiva indriyani indriyartha. Withdraw senses from sense objects like a tortoise withdraws all its limbs into its shell. Surun mitraryudasina madhyastha dveshabandhushu sadhushavapi cha papeshu samabuddhir vishishyate. Maintain the same attitude towards well-wishers, friends, enemies, non-aligned, arbitrators, haters, relations, saints and sinners. Yoga practice to stabilize the mind. Tatraikagram manakrutva yachitendriya kriyaha upavishyasane yujya yogam atma vishuddhaye. Constantly keep the mind concentrated in oneself. Sitting alone in a secluded place, self-controlled, desireless and without any sense of possessiveness. Shuchau deshe pratishtapya sthiramasanam natyuchritam nati nicham chailam. Sit in a clean place, placing firm seat, neither too low nor too high, covered with soft cloth. Samam kaya shiro grivam dharayanna chalam siraha. Sampreksha nasikagram swandishvanavalokayan. Hold the body, the neck, and the head equally firm, straight, and fixed, concentrating gaze on the tip of the nose and not distracting oneself. Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta swapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkhaha. Yoga is neither for the voracious eater nor for the poor eater. It is neither for the excessive sleeper or for one with sleeplessness. Yatha dipo nivatasto na angate sopamasprita yogino yata chittasya yucchato yogamatmanava. A lamp in a windless place is the metaphor that can be used to describe a yogi whose mind is under control and who is united with one's inner self. Sukham matyanikam yata buddhi graya matindriya veti yatra nachavayam Sitishchalati Tattvataha. One finds unlimited happiness when the intellect understands the metaphysical, that which is beyond the senses, and in that state one never moves from the truth. Manodur nigraham chalam abhyasena chavairagena guyate. The mind is indeed very difficult to restrain, but by practice and detachment it can be controlled. Concentrate mind on God. Krishna's assurance to devotees. Mayeva mana adasva, mayi buddhi niveshaya, nivasishyasi mayeva ata urdvana sanshaya. Fix your mind on me alone and surrender your intellect to me. Thereupon you will always live in me. Of this there is no doubt. Austerity of mind. Manaha prasadaha samyatvam manam matma vinigraha bhava shuddhi rityeta tapo manasa muchyate. The serenity of mind, gentleness, silence, self-control, purification of thoughts, this is called the austerity of mind. Study Bhagavad Gita. Love and peace.